Kalshi just launched Perps, a brand new up or down crypto market. And instead of trading it myself, I handed the keys over to my Kalshi trading bot for 7 straight days. No manual trades, no me staring at charts all day, just pure AI decision making with real money in the line. By the end of this video, I'm showing you the exact results, the wins, the losses, and whether AI can genuinely out-trade a human on a brand new market like this. But here's the best part. You can also build a bot exactly like this that lets you connect your own Kalshi account and create your own trading strategy using plain English. No coding, no complicated setup. I'll show you exactly how to build your own version in a bit. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into the results, let's quickly talk about why this is different from traditional futures trading, because I think this is the part most people are going to overlook. On a normal crypto exchange, like when we've gone through the weeks or 2-bit before, you're trading leveraged perpetual futures. That means funding rates, liquidation prices, and the risk of getting wiped out if the market moves against you fast enough. Kalshi Perps work completely differently. These are regulated CFTC overseen contracts. And instead of leverage that can blow up your account, your risk is capped at what you put in. You're basically betting on a simple outcome. And will Bitcoin be up or down in this window? Instead of managing margin, funding fees, and liquidation math the entire time. That's exactly why it's such a clean market to hand over to an AI, because the downside is defined and the decision is binary. All right, let's actually get you set up so you can try this yourself. So to get started, you're going to want to create an account. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or just your email. Link is down below if you want to go straight there. And by the way, if you sign up through my link on predictions, you get up to a $500 bonus once you start trading. And on Perps, that crypto up or down market I mentioned earlier, you get a $25 bonus just for getting started. So definitely worth grabbing that before you jump in. If you don't see the prompt right away, just go up to the top right where it says sign up, and you'll see those same options. Pretty standard process. They'll ask you to verify a couple things. But once you're in, you've basically got access to everything you're seeing on my screen right now. All right, so now let's talk about funding your account, because this is where people get a little confused. Up in the top right, click those 3 lines and go to add funds. That's one way in. You can also click deposit cash right on the home page, and you'll see 3 instant transfer options: card, Google Pay, and crypto. If you click on more options, you'll also see wire transfer, which takes at least 1 business day, and that one has a $1,000 minimum, but no maximum. So that's more for people moving bigger amounts. Now here's something important. If you connect your card or Google Pay, there's a 0% processing fee on those, which is honestly great. So you're not getting hit just for depositing. So personally, if you want the fastest option, I just connect your card or Google Pay directly and you're in within seconds. But if you've got crypto already, you can go that route too. Click on the crypto option and you'll see 3 choices: secure deposit, standard deposit, and buy crypto. On secure deposit, you can connect your account directly from exchanges like Coinbase, Uphold, Cash App, and a few others. Or if you've got crypto sitting in a wallet, you can connect MetaMask, Phantom, Trust Wallet, and more. If your exchange isn't listed, you can do a standard deposit instead, just like a normal crypto transfer. Choose your token, like USDT, pick your network, click Show Address, copy that address, and go paste it into your exchange to send it over. Just keep in mind there's a $3 minimum on that. And if you don't have crypto at all, you can just buy it instantly using your card through providers like Coinbase, Cash App, or Robinhood right inside the app. If you're just starting out, I suggest having a daily max deposit no more than $500. Which honestly is plenty for most people getting going. And connecting your card or bank also makes withdrawals way faster since it goes right back to the same place. Now before we set up the bot, let's get your API keys first. Click the 3 lines again and click on Account and Security. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Create Key. Give it a nickname, something like Kalshi Automated Trading. To have it trade for you, click on Full Access, then click Create. It will give you 2 codes. Save them for later, something like sticky notes or notepad. Note that this will only be shown once, so copy it carefully. Now, moving into the bots, there will be a password prompt. Just enter your password. Then just enter your Kalshi API key and your private key and save. You also have the option to include your Open Router and Polymarket wallet key here. Now, if you want all of this already built for you, I've got it on my WAP group. Links below. More on that in a bit. All right, once your keys are connected, you'll land right here on the dashboard, and this is basically your command center. Up top, you can see your balance. Same one reflected directly on your actual Kalshi account, so everything stays synced in real time. Right below that, you've got the decisions your bot made today, the orders it placed today, and exactly which bots are currently running live. And if you scroll down, you'll find the live logs. Basically, a full play-by-play of everything your bots have been doing recently, so you're never left guessing what's happening behind the scenes. Now I already created my own bots for you to try. Let me run through them quickly. First is the BTC 15-minute arbitrage. This runs on Kalshi and Polymarket. They both run 15-minute Bitcoin up or down markets. When buying up on one venue and down on the other costs less than $1 combined, the bot buys both sides and keeps the difference at settlement. It runs itself, executes automatically as soon as both your Kalshi and Polymarket keys are set. What's great about this bot is that it's basically risk-free arbitrage. You're not betting on which way Bitcoin moves. You're profiting off the pricing gap between two platforms. That means the moment both orders fill, your profit is locked in regardless of what Bitcoin actually does. It's one of the safest ways to let a bot trade for you without having to predict the market at all. All right, now let's see how it actually works using a Claude bot. Click on Trading Bots, click New Bot, and select Claude Bot. Here you can add a name and describe your strategy in words. Be very detailed here. This is literally where you tell it what you want the bot to do. After that, click Create Bot, and there you have it. Your trading bot is ready to run. For example, on one of the bots I created, the Bitcoin 15-minute arbitrage, you can see the name, the description, equity, the orders placed, profit and loss, and the balance curve. It's all right here. You can also edit some of the settings, window trigger, contracts per side, seconds between scans, and max money working at once. Once you're done, just click Save Settings. All right, so as you can see here, you can see this steady upward trend on the balance curve. A few dips and losses along the way. That's completely normal. But overall, it kept climbing day over day. Equities sitting at plus 35%. The bot placed 40 orders total over that 7-day period. And total profit and loss came out to $776.57. And keep in mind, that's without me touching a single chart the entire time. No emotional entries, no panic selling on the dips you see right here. Just the bot sticking to the exact strategy I described in plain English and letting the wins outweigh the losses over time. Honestly, this is the same bot setup I'm about to show you how to get access to. So if this kind of steady, hands-off growth is something you want running on your own account, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to get it in just a second. All right, and look, for the next few years, two kinds of prediction market traders are going to exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same markets, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. Inside my AI Trade Edge community, I've got every prompt, every bot, every template I personally use, all in one place. Remember those Kalshi bots I mentioned earlier? You get all of them in there. A Bitcoin 15-minute arbitrage bot, a Kalshi Polymarket pricing bot, and a smart money bot tracking where the big wallets are moving. Plus, you can code your own using Python, Claude, TradingView, or any available model available to you right now. There's also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding needed. By the end, you'll have your own AI trading system running live. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. First 100 members lock that rate in for good. Links in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. So there you have it. That's exactly how Claude traded Kalshi's brand new Bitcoin Perps for 7 straight days. And now you've got the same setup to build your own AI-powered trading system from scratch. Whether you let AI run the show completely or just use it to speed up your own strategy, this is genuinely one of the easiest ways to get into prediction markets right now. 2 quick things before you go. Make sure you sign up through the link below so you actually get that $500 predictions bonus and the $25 Perps bonus. That's real money working for you before you even place a trade. And second, get into the WAP group so you can grab these bots directly or vibe code your own versions with Claude. If you want, watch the full walkthrough on how to use Kalshi, even if you're a complete beginner. check the video pop-in screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more of these, and I'll see you in the next one.